Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tipsnfix. Today, we're going to talk about how to find the hidden publication date of online articles. Sometimes, articles don't show their publication date because of design choices, to keep the article looking fresh, or just by mistake. This can be a problem for researchers, journalists, and anyone who needs up-to-date information. Hidden dates can cause confusion, especially for topics that change quickly. In this video, we'll show you different ways to find these hidden dates. We'll look at the article's URL, explore the website, check the source code, use search engines like Google, and use archive services like the Wayback machine. By the end, you'll have easy methods to find out when the article was published and make sure the information is current. Let's get started. Let's start by examining the URL of the article to see if it reveals the publication date. On the website we are examining, let's look at the URL of this article. It turns out the site does include the date in the URL, displaying the complete date. But there are several ways a date can appear in a URL. Some URLs include the full date. Year, month, day. Other URLs might only show the year and month. Sometimes, URLs include just the year. By carefully examining the URL, you can often deduce the publication date or narrow down the timeframe. If the URL doesn't provide the date, don't worry, there are other methods we'll explore next. If the publication date isn't visible in the article or URL, exploring the website structure can help you find it. Here's how you can go about it. Check the homepage. Many websites list their most recent articles on the homepage. If the article is new, it might be featured here with its publication date. However, on this website, the homepage doesn't always show dates, so this might not be an option. Look at archives or blog sections. Websites often have sections where articles are organized by date, like an archive or blog section. Go to these sections to find the article. On this website, the archives might not show dates either, but it's worth checking. Use filtering options. Some websites offer filtering options in their archive sections, allowing you to search for articles within specific date ranges. This feature can help narrow down the publication period if you know the article was published within a certain timeframe. This website may not have this feature, so you might need to rely on other methods. Visit the author's profile. If the website has author profiles, check them out. Authors often list their recent articles with publication dates on their profile pages. On ibter.com, this might not be available, but it's a good approach if it is. Check the sitemap. Access the website sitemap, usually found at example.com/sitemap.xml or through the site's footer. The sitemap can show the site structure and might include publication dates or additional context about the article's placement. For ibter.com, this might not always include dates, but it's worth a look. If you can't find the publication date on the page itself, checking the source code might help. Here's how you can do it. Open the web page, go to the article that you're interested in. Right-click anywhere on the page and select View Page Source or Inspect from the menu. Alternatively, use keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl+U, Windows/Linux, or Command+Option+U, macOS, for View Page Source, or F12, Windows/Linux, or Command+Option+I, macOS, for Inspect. For View Page Source, the HTML code will open in a new tab or window. Press Ctrl+F, Windows, or Command+F, Mac, to open the search bar. Enter keywords like date, published, or pubdate to find relevant sections. For Inspect, the Developer Tools window will open, showing the page's code and layout. Use the search function, Ctrl+F or Command+F, to look for keywords related to the publication date. If the publication date isn't visible on the web page, you can use search engines like Google to uncover it. Here's a step-by-step guide. Go to Google and search for the article's title or URL. Look at the search results. Sometimes, Google Snippet will show extra details, like the date when the article was indexed. This can give you a clue about the publication date. Use cached pages. Search for the article's URL or title on Google. In the search results, click on the small green arrow next to the result, or the 3 vertical dots. Select Cached from the drop-down menu. The cached version of the page might show the publication date that's no longer visible on the current page. Archive services such as the Wayback Machine can help you find the publication date of an article, even if it's not visible on the current web page. Here's how to use these tools. Open your web browser and go to https://web.archive.org. The Wayback Machine archives snapshots of websites over time. Search for the article's URL. Paste the URL of the article into the search bar and press Enter. If the Wayback Machine has archived the page, you'll see a timeline and calendar with different snapshots. Explore archived snapshots. Use the calendar to navigate through different snapshots of the page. Look for the earliest snapshot to see if it matches the original publication date of the article. Compare snapshots to find when the current version of the page was first published. Check metadata and annotations. Some archived pages may include metadata or annotations with additional information, such as the date of archiving or updates. Review this information to get more context about the publication timeline. And that's a wrap for today's video. By using these methods, you can uncover hidden publication dates and get a better grasp of the articles you're reading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.